Hello everybody, this is Sophia. I'm back with another video, this time featuring BABYTHREE. I have a whole box of BABYTHREE Big Bite plush set, and look at how cute my options are. I think there's like 16 different characters, but the box only has 8. I got this from Aliexpress, and I'm excited. Let me turn on the light real quick. Okay. They're all very cute. I wouldn't mind any of them, but I think my favorite is this one right here. Jiaozi. I want that one the most. And then the sashimi, the second. And then of course the shrimp, the third. Alright, so let's get into it. Alright, here's the first box. Here's the art. Here's a closer look of the characters you can get. And there's the secrets. No idea what they could be. Oh my god, the little chicken is cute. I didn't see that. Alright, let's see what we get first. Ooh. Alright, oh. We got the chili pepper, and it's so cute. I guess if you watch Oliko, she calls these the boba eyes. So we got the one with the boba eyes, and he has like a half smile or whatever. This is yummy on his cheeks. There you go. Super cute. Let me see if there's a card. There should always be a card. Yep, Spice Lord. Alright, here's our second box. Oh. I like that they put the card on the bottom now so it doesn't just pop up and spoil the surprise. Okay, here we go. 1, 2. Oh, we got the sashimi. Is that right? Sashimi, yes. Oh, this is the cutest one. Yes, look at that fish and her eyes. So cute. And her tongue sticking out. There's the shrimp. There's the little rice. It's all fuzzy. Oh, I love this one. I love it. This is great. I'm happy already. I got my second favorite. And the eyes are just beautiful. There's hearts too in the background. Lovely. Gonna get the card out. Yeah, love it. So cute. I'm excited. Third box. Okay, let's see if I can get the tab to actually go through all the way. Just gotta hold it. There's the art right there. It says delicious. I got my favorite one. It's, how do you say that? Jiaozi. Oh, and she has her tongue sticking out. Here's a little bow. That's cute. But now that I look at them up close, I like the sashimi better. This one's a little too frilly for me, but it's still cute. It kind of looks like a cloud just raining. Alright, let me see the card. Jiaozi. Alright, box number 4. We are halfway through it. And I got my favorites already. Maybe not the shrimp yet, the tempura. Let's hope I get the tempura. And then I'll be complete. 1, 2, 3. I got the banana. Oh, and look at this little, his mouth is all surprised looking. Purple hair. This is cute. Yeah, it's the banana, right? Yep, banana. card. There you go. Box number 5. Oh, this one's a little damaged, but yeah, who cares? As long as the product's okay. Okay, let's hope for the shrimp. The dog looks cute too. And a toko yummy. Fish cake is very cute. And they're all cute. Who am I kidding? Taku yummy, excuse me, taku yummy. Has the purple hair and the surprise face like the banana. And there's the eyes up here with the takoyaki. Very cute. I like that these are gold. I prefer gold over silver. That's just me. All right. Here's the card. Taco yummy. Alright. Here's our 8th box. Oh no, sorry. 6th box. Alright. Still eat the shrimp. I would like the taiyaki. I am sorry if I'm not pronouncing these right. The cressnop, pine roll. Who am I kidding? Shut up, Sophia. You want all of them. Okay. This one feels really puffy. Oh, we got the shrimp, you guys. We got the shrimp. Oh, it's perfect. I'm so beyond happy. Look at that. It almost looks like a drumstick of fried chicken. Sweet. Oh, this one. This one's okay. Yeah, these are tied for my favorites, and I got them. I can't believe I got them in my box. I'm so happy. I don't even care if I get a secret now. Okay, there's our fried shrimp. All right, here's box number 7. Ooh. 1, 2, 3. Oh, we got the bunny. Oh, it's cute. Look at the eyes. We got special eyes. And she's got a little grin right here with little fangs. Bows in her eyes. So cute. I say it's a girl because of the eyelashes. I know boys have really nice eyelashes too. Like my husband, he's got gorgeous eyelashes. But I don't know. I just want to call it a girl. Cute. The donut bunny. See? It's a donut-shaped bunny. Oh, it's so cute. Look at the ears. Okay, let me see. Okay, here's our donut bunny. Love it. So now, this is hard. Maybe this might be my 3rd favorite after the fried chicken and the fried shrimp and the sashimi. These are precious. I highly recommend these, and they're small. They're not too big. They're like the palm of my hand. They fit in your hand. Oh, almost. All right. Here is our last one. Will we get a secret? I would. Let's hope for the. I want the chicken. Let's hope for the chicken. All right, here we go. Feels really puffy. Might be the chicken. Oh, we got the burger. I was not expecting this. It's cute. The bun is yellowish, so let me see. Oh, it's a hot dog. It looks like a hamburger, but it says hot dog. Maybe because it's a hamburger with the doggy ears. I don't know, but it's still cute as ever. Alright, let me get the card. There's our hot dog. Alright, I have my little display here. I couldn't fit all of them because this is a cup holder I got from Amazon, a mug holder, but I thought it fit them perfectly. I'll probably get another one just to display it like this. I think the display looks great. Well, for this size, but particularly for the BABYTHREE minis. Yeah, I got Aliexpress merchandise, and so far I've had good experience with Aliexpress. Before, the packaging would be all damaged, but now they have improved significantly, and there's so many other BABYTHREE styles. And of course, this is my favorite, along with this guy. Yeah, I really do like this display. It looks really good. Might have to order another one of these mug displays on Amazon. I don't remember the link. But yeah, thank you guys for joining me. This was a very fun video. I hope you also enjoy and check out Aliexpress, all the BABYTHREE options they have. There's a ton. They also have a ton of Sanrio. They also have Miko illustrations. Just everything everything kawaii you can think of. But again, thank you. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.